Inappropriate apps you've probably never heard of because they're targeting kids. The apps you need to know about on 7 News, 6 o'clock.
Tonight's 7 News headlines. The royal family is dealing with more bombshell revelations, but Harry says claims of racism were not aimed at the Queen or Prince Philip. A big win for our diggers. Up to 5,000 people will now be allowed to march on Anzac Day. Our cameras were there as an accused drug kingpin was arrested in Sydney's northwest. And Victorian Premier Daniel Andrews will spend the coming days in intensive care after slipping and falling on wet stairs at a holiday home. Now, the latest on our weather, here's Angie.
Thank you, Mark. After a sunny morning, cloud cover steadily increased throughout the afternoon. So there's the chance of a shower or storm across Sydney tonight, and we are expecting this to be the norm now for the next few days. Before that change, temperatures once again climbed well above average. We reached a top of 28.8 degrees, and that followed another warm night at 19.6. Temperatures were a fair bit warmer inland, though. Richmond and Penrith climbed to 33 degrees. Campbelltown hit 32. Tops of 29 degrees for both Terry Hills and Manly. So far, no sign of rain. The latest satellite image shows 2 pockets of severe storms this evening. One covers the upper west and the other spans the northwest across to the mid-north coast and northern rivers. So tomorrow, south to southeasterly winds will push onto the coast, leading to a slightly cooler day, although we're not expecting a great deal of wet weather apart from just a few coastal spots and again that northeast corner. Around the nation, Brisbane is heading for a shower or two, 31 degrees. Fine for all of the southern capitals. Canberra 26 degrees, tops of 21 for Melbourne and Hobart. Adelaide 27, warm again in Perth 33 degrees. Statewide, the area of wet weather is again limited to our north, so showers and the odd storm are possible from Tibooburra all the way to the coast, 5 millimetres or so inland, up to 20 millimetres in this northeastern pocket. Although further south we go, the lighter the totals are going to be, so probably around 1 or 2 millimetres for Wollongong. Checking Sydney's temperatures tomorrow, it will be an overcast day, generally fine on the coast, with the exception of the central coast where we might just see a light morning shower. Light showers are much more likely in our western suburbs though, and tops will range from the mid to high 20s. On the water, south-southeasterly winds will run at 10 to 15 knots at first, then turning easterly by the afternoon. In the city, we're heading for a low of 20 degrees tonight, a top of 26, which is much closer to average than what we have been seeing over the last 2 days. And while it is looking overcast, that wet weather should hold off. To the week ahead, another grey day on Thursday with showers arriving late in the afternoon or evening. That sets us up for a soggy Friday to follow. Decent falls up to 20 millimetres in the city, 10 in our west. Sunshine returning Saturday, only briefly though, more wet weather for us on Sunday. So out of that Saturday, definitely the pick, Mark.
Looks like the one, Angie. Thank you. That is 7 News for this Tuesday. We'll have updates for you throughout the evening. I'm Mark Ferguson from all the team. I hope you have a great night.